Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4 Girls Jewelry here. I went to the gem show over the weekend. A lot of people ask where I get my gems. So if you Google that company, they are 57 years in business. I really love gems that you can buy there. I am in Illinois, so they just had a show here in February 23rd and 25th. Check their website. If you close to those cities, if you are in United States, that's the place that I would highly recommend to get your stuff, because you can touch it, you can see the qualities. I got a lot of loose stones, I have a lot of crystals, a lot of cabochon, because I right now, those who follow my channel, you know that I'm taking some classes and doing bezel setting. So I am wire wrapper, but I like to work with the sheet metal now, so I just making some leaves and setting the cabochon. So that's why I went to get some more cabochon for me to work with. But back to the wire wrapping. At that show, I met a lady who had tons of roses. It's a sponge coral. It's very soft, because when I ruined already 2 roses, but they were very inexpensive. They were like 25 cents each. That's insane. So I was thinking, because they have a little drill here, but I ruined this one already. So I just set them in wire. It looks cool too. And I just want to show you how I make this little circle that you can expand your rose or any gem you work with. It can be also larger, like this one, or any shape actually. And you can put tons of your beads or anything expanded from that. Like, you can dress it how you want it. So let's start with this. I use 24 gauge. You can use 22 gauge, which is much better, even more structural. I just have 24, so using whatever I have. So let's take 24 gauge. I will use a piece of wire. Let me quickly grab a small piece of wire, and I will use these crystals. I got tons of crystals from them, tons and tons different ones. I think it will be for me enough for earrings and all the components that I want to do until May. So here we are. We have our 24 gauge. It's pretty long. I won't cut. Let me put this away. And I will use my bail maker plier. So for the tools, we will need regular tools. We will need all those. Plus, we will need our rubber mallet to hammer a little bit. Sorry for my Jess. He will making noises. I will leave a little piece. And I will use the smallest of my bail maker pliers, the tiniest one. That's the look I want to do. You can play with your wires and make how you want it. So when you do first circle, I go, if you see it, I go more. So on some side looks like I did double, and this side look like I did only one. So when I am basically halfway to the second time, I make a little something like that. Go back, turn this part, and start again. So this, and I go again. Double, double, and don't worry about misshaping sometimes. Try to be, so again, when this done like this, you twist, and when your wire is put as close as possible, and make another. We did earrings like that. So I need, for the tiny ones, I use 7 of those. So you keep going until you have, let me throw this away, until you have all 7. So you have all 7 of those. I hammer. I put that on a flat surface and hammer. Small, tiny taps, a lot of them. You will feel the structure getting much stronger. That's what you want to have. It still will be flexible because it's 24 gauge, but you can feel the structure, like it's harder to bend. So that's what we want to have. And I would do, when I started to make those tiny components today, I tried to shape it around one of my bail maker plier, but it's destroy shape of the circles. So it's better to do it with your hands, just gently until you're making your circle. And with a wire that is longer, I would go over the small part and just wire wrap once, 2. That's what you have. And we will use now our beads. I used the tiny one that I got from the show. Put 1. And what I did, because the wire comes from here, so I put all the way. I use my nail and squish the wire to that circle, and with the other end I just go inside in here. Yeah, so it's like not even wrapping, it's more like a weaving, like you could just like a stitching or whatever. So the wire comes from that part on top again. You hold with wire here, and you put another bead. Let's just the time consuming is to put the beads on. That's the most of the time goes. And again, I hold it here, navigate that there, and go inside in that circle, the opening here, and just stitch it in. And it's in that little groove that we have. Go around, put it on top, secure with your nail, and put another bead, and you go around all the way. When you're done with the first row, here's my other one. So I'm done with the first row. Here is the last one. Push it, put it there, and go inside, around, and I will do only 1 twist, and I will use the second row of the bead. So use the same beads. You can do different colors if you wanted to. So there is 1 more bead. This time what I want to do is I want to fill the gaps between the circles. So we have a first one here, and I will go inside in that circle and just stitch it right there. You see it, right? Yeah. And we will put another bead here. Somebody complained that I have off the camera sometimes. It's difficult to be always on camera, but you know what I'm like, you can see. So it's bead is right here, and we go inside in the loop this time and just secure it again. And we go all the way around. until we reach the end. So then we have the last one will be here, and I like to find, because you will have a place here, so anywhere after this stick you can go, just push it. And what I did is go around here and straighten the wire. You can do twice maybe if you wanted to. And what I did, I just straightened the wire, so we have two of them now. And I use bail maker plier, or you can use your round nose pliers if you want to make it tinier circle there, and just finish your wires there. So we have one, and finish the other one. Finish the other one. Cut. That's it, and we're done with the little component. I think it could be very cute as an earring too. You can make them if you want it for earrings, you don't even have to use both of the wires. Could be only one. I feel like it will be enough for strand. It could be only one, right? And just make the nice loop. I hope you guys will use this in your jewelry. It's adding a little bit, you know. I like that it can add some extra detail to your jewelry. It needs to be polished a lot because it was sitting in a liver of sulfur, and I just took it from the water and drained it and just didn't polish or anything. But I like the component. I like that this is strong enough to hold and give a little beauty to your jewelry. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next Tuesday, and make sure you check this company. They are awesome, and you will have a bargain. Seriously, I got amazing gems. I just put them in a different place, but they were faceted, and it was like really inexpensive. I still have here because I was like looking at them. Look how beautiful they are. And the whole string was $5. I think it's amazing deal. Not all of the gems, that's a fluoride, but I like how faceted they are, and the prices was amazing. So I would highly recommend that place. Thank you guys for watching. I always try to share any information I know that can be helpful. Thank you. See you next Tuesday again. Have a great one. Bye.